Good morning class, my name is Muhammad Asif Hassan. Topic for today is chemical kinetics, the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of rate of reaction and factors affecting the rate of reaction is called chemical kinetics. Now, in order to understand the concept of kinetics, we have to understand rate of reaction. Let us discuss it. Rate of reaction. Rate of reaction is defined as change in concentration of reactant or product at any time taken by the reaction. Thus, this can be represented by the formula rate is equal to change in concentration per unit time, that is the time taken by the reaction. Let us understand with an example. Let a reaction be reactant A react with B moles of B forms C moles of C. Here small a, small b and small c are stoichiometric coefficient. Thus, if we see that as time passes, A, B disappears while C appears. Thus, rate of disappearance for A and B will be equal to rate of appearance for C. Thus, rate of disappearance for A will be equals to minus delta over delta T. Similarly, for rate of disappearance for B is equals to minus delta B over delta T. And here rate of appearance for C is equals to delta C over delta T. In disappearance, we have included a negative sign. This shows the concentration of A and B decreases with time and concentration of C increases with time. Therefore, negative sign is added. Thus, correlation is equal to 1 by A delta A over delta T minus is equal to minus 1 upon B delta E over delta T equals to 1 by C delta C over delta T. This will be the overall rate of reaction. Here A, B and C are stoichiometric coefficient. If we see that in rate of disappearance and appearance we did not use stoichiometric coefficient, that shows that rate of reaction depends on stoichiometric coefficient while rate of appearance and disappearance doesn't. Depends on stoichiometric coefficient. Hope you understand well. Thank you.